Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Update WhatsApp and use a stable connection so previews can load reliably. Next, make your link reachable, host it on a public server, and verify it returns HTTP 200 quickly. Also add Open Graph meta tags, OGG title, OGG description, and OGG image so WhatsApp can extract preview data. Once done, copy the exact URL and paste it into the chat input. Do not send immediately, because you want WhatsApp to fetch and render the preview first. Now focus on the middle steps where previews often fail. Edit your page head to include correct Open Graph tags and a Twitter card fallback that tells WhatsApp what to display. Make sure OGG image is an absolute HTTPS URL and at least 300 by 200 pixels so it qualifies. Also confirm your server serves text/HTML and isn't blocking crawlers via robots, TXT, or headers. Once these changes are live, clear any CDN cache and test the URL in a private browser. To finish, paste the URL into WhatsApp and wait a few seconds for the preview to appear. You should see the title, description, and image. If it doesn't, inspect server logs and response codes, validate your meta tags, and ensure your TLS certificate is valid because WhatsApp fetchers require HTTPS. Once you correct issues, force WhatsApp to refetch by changing the URL query string or clearing CDN caches. One key troubleshooting tip: always check that your image URL is publicly accessible and not blocked by hotlink protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.